Meet Vector, a companion made to hang out and help out. Powered by AI and advanced robotics, he can react by sight, sound, and touch. Vector is voice-activated and will answer your deepest questions and even take photos for you. Set up Alexa and you can set reminders, control smart home devices like lights, speakers, thermostats, and more. Vector can even update himself via Wi-Fi, so he's always learning. Updating, watching, waiting. After you've given Vector so much power and autonomy, it's sure to work out for the best. Fly this awesome drone with the flick of your wrist. Anyone can learn to fly this drone after putting on the gesture glove. You can fly forward, backward, left, right, high and low, all with the wave of your hand. You can even perform tricks like a sideways flip. I bet you could even fly it into your unexpected friends or family. This drone can even automatically take off, hover, and land. A frame around the propellers protects the drone so you can continue to crash it into a family member or friend. You can control multiple Aura drones at once. Attack of the drones, anyone? Check out this temporary tattoo printer. Choose from over 8,000 unique designs. Print infinity symbols, some type of cat, and any other weird thing you can think of. How about a geometric cat? How about an upside-down geometric cat? Sure, why not? Upload any design, logo, or slogan you want and print it on your body in only 3 seconds. It only takes 3 seconds to be completely irresponsible. Tattoos are waterproof and last up to 48 hours. Tat up before a date with an e-girl or e-boy. Literally print manliness. These magnetic cables are attractive, to say the least. The charging cables can be operated with one hand, making them super easy to use. These cables support fast charging and data transfer speeds. They are compatible with USB Type-C and micro USB. These cables come in black, pink or white. Impress your friends with some magic. Put the magnetic cable close to the phone. The magnets will connect automatically and immediately start charging your device. If your friends haven't learned about magnets yet, they are sure to be blown away. Meet Pixoo. You can use the Pixoo in so many awesome ways. Use it as a smart clock. Display the weather and temperature. Make it a lamp or music visualizer. But, really, the best part is using it to display your favorite pixel art. Create your own image, animation, or scrolling text and show it off on your Pixoo. Clap at it, yell at it, and find out how loud you are. Maybe you're yelling how awesome this thing is. Or maybe you're trying to get it to show off your favorite Pokemon. Either way, you're going to love Pixoo. And it's going to love you right back. This is the Backbone One mobile gaming controller for iPhone. You can turn your iPhone into an amazing handheld gaming console. You can play Xbox, PlayStation, Call of Duty Mobile, Apple Arcade, and more. Designed in partnership with the team behind the Xbox 360 controller, this controller features responsive analog triggers, tactile buttons, and clickable thumbsticks. The Backbone One connects to your iPhone's Lightning port for ultra-responsive gameplay. You can even charge your iPhone while you play using pass-through charging. Get 1 month of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate with your purchase of the Backbone One. And check this out, you can even record, edit, and share clips of your favorite action-packed moments using the Backbone app. And record your gameplay in 60 FPS and simply record the last 15 seconds with the click of a button. The Backbone One mobile gaming controller for iPhone is sure to impress your friends and family.